Do you want to make millions of dollars? Do you want to have great relationships? Do you want to have the people in your life and business respect you, admire you, listen to you? If you do this one thing, you're going to be well on your way to all of that. You need to learn in your head to decouple understanding somebody and agreeing with them. You can understand somebody without agreeing with them. The next time you're in an argument, the next time you're working with a customer and they're not seeing things your way, let them know, I hear you, I understand. And if you don't understand their position, ask them questions. Help me understand why you'd say that. Just out of curiosity, why do you feel that way? The more that you understand their position, the easier it's going to be for you to negotiate and communicate with them. Just because you understand somebody doesn't mean you agree with them. When you can unlock those two, the sky's the limit for you. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.